Hey everyone, I'm Angela Stevens with the Hatch Homes Group, and I am at 2714 Northeast Everett in Portland. This is probably one of my favorite homes I've toured all year. It is in Kearns neighborhood, which is an amazing neighborhood full of great restaurants, shops. And even though we are right there, it's actually quite quiet on this street. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you one of my favorite features first. Okay, so this is one of my favorite features. My house has a Dutch door and it never gets old. Check that out. So this house was recently remodeled, and you can tell that it was done by someone who has some pretty good taste here. Big open kitchen. One thing I love about this kitchen is soft closed doors, of course. Beautiful hood vent with a beadboard. And then it has this adorable little side porch right off the driveway. So you bring in your groceries from the driveway. You got a little mud room. So cute. You have good privacy for being in such a popular, lively area. You do have really good privacy. And it's not a huge lot. And that is also another unique thing. It's having the privacy on a smaller lot. I'm gonna go this way because this fireplace is adorable. Look at that. It's got built-ins, and then this room, obviously set up as a dining room, but this could be an adorable bar, den, office. The wallpaper on the ceiling is my jam. That's just some good storage. I mean, look, I love the details. So in the backyard, again, not a huge lot, but so much privacy. Love this tree. It does wrap around, and there is a full basement, but we're not going to go down there. If you want to set up a tour to see the basement, we can do that. But let's go back around. Okay, this bathroom, amazing. Love the original built-ins. And the clawfoot tub, green, matches the adorable tile. So this is the full bath on the main, stackable washer dryer. Love how they did the two-tone color. And then you have bamboo out the window, really nice. Actually not a bad size closet for this era. Got tall ceilings in there, and then you also have this little nook. Okay, let's go upstairs. I think this is a tile. This really cute little nook. Got this mini split system. Look at this door. Really sweet bedroom here. Again, you've got the view of the bamboo, which I love. I love the view of that tree. Okay, so I'm gonna go straight to this room because this is what I want in my house. This. I need a window nook like this. So magical, so dreamy. This is a really good sized bedroom. Again, bamboo out the window, so nice. Closet with a light. And then this beautiful bathroom, Pratt & Larson tile, stunning. Floor to ceiling tile. We got a solar tube. That's a nice touch. Extra space here. I love those lights. Extra closet, extra storage. So like I said, there is a basement. It is pretty much unfinished, great for storage. There's not a garage, but there's a driveway. So there's off-street parking, which is pretty important in this neighborhood to have because it can get pretty busy, especially during mealtime with all the restaurants around here. It's listed just under $850 right now, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, around 2292 square feet. Reach out if you have any questions or want to set up a private tour. All right, thanks for touring with me.